Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho CRM web forms for lead capture, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Zoho CRM web forms for lead capture, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the developer space section. Click on web forms under the developer space options. Now, click on the Create Web Form button to begin the process. Select the module where you want to collect leads, such as contacts or leads. Fill in the required fields like form title and description. Next, add the necessary fields that you want to include in your form. Customize the form layout according to your preferences. Once you have added all the fields, scroll down to the form settings. Here, you will find options to configure thank you messages and redirection URLs. Make sure to enable the option for Enable CAPTCHA to help prevent spam submissions. After configuring all settings, click on the Save button. You will then see a code snippet generated for your web form. Copy this code snippet to integrate the form into your website. Now, go to your website's HTML editor and paste the code where you want the form to appear. After pasting the code, save and publish your changes on your website. Once published, test the form by filling it out and submitting a lead. Check your Zoho CRM to ensure the lead has been captured properly. If the lead appears, your web form authorization is successful. Review and tweak any settings if necessary for future lead captures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.